news from the Indian stock market, which is seeing a tectonic shift towards industrial stocks. Long seen as a consumption-driven economy, India is now transforming into one driven by manufacturing. Now, this shift is creating new opportunities for infrastructure companies and boosting their stocks as well. The S&P BSE Industrials Index, which includes makers of bridges, helicopters and wind turbines, has surged almost 54% this year. The combined market value of its 214 members has risen by about $125 billion. Let's put this into some context here. The benchmark S&P BSE Sensex has risen just 8.4% in 2023. The Industrials Index has also outpaced two indices of consumer stocks that feature makers of household staples and discretionary goods. Industrial stocks are in a sweet spot right now. The reasons are not hard to find though. Global companies are flocking to India as part of the China Plus One strategy. Apple is expanding production in India, while Tesla is likely to set up a factory within 2 years. Order books for some companies are swelling to record highs here thanks to rising government outlays and a housing boom. Capital spending has contributed to a double-digit volume growth in steel and cement sectors. The Indian government is spending big on infrastructure with the aim of making India a developed nation by 2047. As per the IMF's estimates, India is tipped to become the third biggest economy in the world by 2027. The Indian government announced a $1.2 trillion program last year to ease India's infrastructure bottlenecks. It has also proposed to scale up capital spending by more than a third to $120 billion in the year ending March 2024. Meanwhile, consumer spending in the country of more than 1.4 billion people is facing some challenges. Interest rate hikes, the weakest monsoon season in 5 years, and inflation worries have curtailed the buying power of households, particularly of low-income families. Volume growth at many consumer goods firms dropped to single digits between July and September, and cost-conscious customers bought less or switched to cheaper products.